Before we get started, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Do human beings perceive reality in its true form? With the advance of research in certain scientific areas such as quantum physics, we have gotten closer to answering questions surrounding this mystery. In order to understand what kind of reality human beings actually experience, we must first look at the way perceptions are formed. In a basic sense, your mind is a collection center for information being expressed and then detected from the environment. This information is gathered from different parts of your brain and delivered to a central hub structure called the default mode network. The default mode network is then tasked with the activity of sorting through all of this complex information being received via sensory input. Once the information has been rearranged in a specific way, that is when the information becomes perceivable to your conscious awareness in the form of sounds that you can hear, visuals that you can see, and so forth. Scientists believe that the default mode network was a part of our evolution, and that this structure of the mind evolved to provide our conscious awareness with only the most important information. The default mode network essentially protects our conscious mind, delivering only the information that is useful enough to help human beings survive. Have you ever wondered why everyone turns their head to look when a pen drops in a quiet room? This is because we have evolved into a high state of environmental awareness to be prepared to run away from an approaching tiger in the woods, for example. When the default mode network delivers the necessary information to our conscious awareness, the rest of the data is discarded. That leaves into question, what is happening to all of the extra information that your brain is picking up on? What kind of secrets are hidden beyond the cosmic veil? These questions still baffle scientists to this day and have also inspired wild theories such as the multiverse theory. A famous quote by Nikola Tesla is the following: "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." 90% of atoms are empty space, whilst the other 10% represents physical matter. What this actually means is that matter is more energy than it is material. The world is likely made up of mostly pure energy, which is then translated by our brain into the appearance of physical objects and a material world. Thoughts are also made of energy. Each thought we have carries its own unique imprint on our life experiences. So in this way, our experience of reality is a constructed form of perception rather than a version of raw, true reality. Some scientists go as far to say that we may be living in a simulation. Another theory is that we exist on a fixed dimensional level. Some believe that the fourth and fifth dimensions can be visited during altered states of consciousness. What would true reality look like and how would the experience feel? Even though we may not currently have access to the most authentic version of reality, the implications lead to the notion that our thoughts have more power over our life than we previously understood. One way to increase access to the available information is through deep meditation. In terms of the quantum realm, It is possible to create visual impressions in your mind that lead to the exact result. In a recent experiment, subjects were asked to play the keys on a keyboard. A separate group of subjects were asked to visualize themselves playing a keyboard. Brain scans revealed that the same areas of the brain were showing activity in both groups. This experiment supports the idea that our brain doesn't know the difference between actual experiences and imagined ones. If we start to visualize what our best future will look like and feel like, perhaps we can alter our reality completely and shift our life direction towards our deepest goals and dreams. We will be diving deeper into this topic in later videos. Please subscribe to follow along our strange journey into the mysteries of life. Thank you for watching.